Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a bit of an apology video. Now when I first started this channel I wanted to make it a habit of replying to every single comment that everyone leaves on my videos, and I managed to do that for quite a long time. So for the first 3 weeks of the month of having this channel, I was replying to every single comment that was made on my videos consistently. Even if I didn't get chance to reply as soon as I'd read the comment, I made sure that I allocated some time later when I finished work that day to go back through and reply to all the comments. Now, as this channel's growing, it's still a very small channel compared to other channels out there, but as this channel's growing, I'm finding it more and more difficult to keep up with the comments on the videos. Now, I do read every single comment that comes through. I'm just finding it very hard to keep on top of replying to every single one. Now, I don't want to be one of those channels that kind of loses track of its supporters and kind of just not reply to any comments, because there's a number of channels out there that I see that when they get to a certain subscriber size, they almost look at people as numbers only, and they go, right, I've got 2,000 subscribers now, and they almost forget about the people that they've built the relationships with and had conversation with earlier on in that channel. And everyone leaves comments and they rarely get any decent replies, or they get a one word reply or a thumbs up or whatever it may be. So I don't want to turn into one of those channels. Now, it is very, very difficult to reply to every single comment on this channel already. So I do understand that it does get difficult for especially the bigger channels to reply to every comment. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to start doing some videos where I pick out some of the comments that are more kind of meaningful, because some people put some really good comments in some of the videos and they really like put some like stories in there, some knowledge in there, and I don't want those comments to get missed. So what I'm decided to do, I'm going to start going through the comments, and any comments that I think will be helpful for the newer stackers that are from kind of experienced stackers and they've got advice and things like that they're leaving on some of my videos, I'm going to screenshot them and I'm going to put them in a video and I'm going to discuss it further. So it's my way of kind of sharing people's knowledge and thanking people for their support, and just to let you know that the comments are not going unread. They are being read. It's just very, very hard for me to respond to everyone right now. I'm working long hours. The industry I'm in with my job is very demanding this time of year as we get closer to Christmas. So I'm doing sort of 12, 13-hour days. I come home, I've got two small children, so there's lots of stuff to be doing. So it's not like this is my kind of full-time thing that I'm doing. This is kind of just a hobby. I'm not looking to make loads of money off of this channel in the future and quit my job or anything like that. This is always going to be something I do as a hobby on the side. So yeah, I wanted to apologise for those of you that have been leaving comments, especially those of you that are commenting on all of my videos and have done from the start. I don't want you to think that I'm not reading the comments or appreciating them. I am appreciating all the support, all the comments. Like I said, I am reading them all. I'm just finding it tough to reply to them all. As always, I want to say thank you very much for all the support. Thank you for everyone that watches my videos. Really overwhelming to see how quick the channel's growing. Can't wait till we hit the first landmark 500 subscribers so I can give out one of those silver forum bars. Really looking forward to giving that away and giving back to the community. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.